G'day members, got another video for you today. We have gone around, spoken to our mentors again, and we've asked them 2 questions. So the first one is, what's your biggest regret? The second question is, what's your biggest accomplishment? And I'm really excited for you guys to hear their answers. So hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We've got a bunch of new stuff coming. I'm really excited about it all. So thank you, enjoy the video.
Hello, testing.
Jacob, hit me.
Biggest regret.
Biggest regret? Wow, my goodness, that's a deep topic.
Well, my biggest regret is not having my goals higher.
I should have taken action earlier or quicker in terms of getting into the property investing games. However, looking back, if actually we take action quicker, probably we'll be able to add another $500,000 equity in the whole property portfolio.
Our investment part is I should buy more. We actually missed $2 million property growth portfolio.
Not learning Mandarin. When I was, I think, teenager, Mum really wanted me to learn Mandarin. And I still remember her wanting me to go to Chinese school to learn Mandarin. And I was like very against it at the time. I thought, oh, what's the point? I know Cantonese, that's good enough already. But man, given how many Mandarin speakers there are right now, that's probably one of my biggest life regrets.
No regret. I don't think I have any regret in my life. I think everything happens for a reason. And I think to me, everything happens for a good reason so far.
My biggest accomplishment would be when I finished my basic training in the Royal Navy. It didn't look possible whatsoever when I joined. I thought I was never going to finish that, the basic training, which was really physical. I didn't know how to swim and I had to pass the swimming test. Yeah, that was my biggest accomplishment.
I probably would say overall it's made a decision to migrate to Australia. Originally from China, the other side of the world, and we don't have any friends, families. That's a big commitment. But we have this desire to have a better life. And not only for myself, my wife, also for the next generation. If people tell me, say, 20 years ago, you're gonna be living these big properties and enjoy the lifestyle, doing something you're really passionate about it, day in, day out, and getting paid for it, and I wouldn't believe that at all.
I think really, if there's only one thing I want to say about my accomplishment is my family. Yeah, that's my family, my husband and my kids. I think they are my biggest accomplishment so far.
I made the decision to stay in this country where I was really down. If you ever read my story, I actually lost everything. Where back in China, I built everything up. So I was literally retired. But then by mistake, I lost everything. So I had to rebuild it again. I didn't feel regret and then build it up. So I would say that's my biggest accomplishment.
Not afraid to fail. That's probably my biggest accomplishment. Knowing that, yes, it's risky, however, embracing that risk and accepting that as reality. And I think that's what every good investor needs to have, that kind of behavior. Because the good saying is high risk, high reward, right? We're not saying, oh, take stupid risks, but take risk and accept that as a reality.